everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you want to switch your Instagram account from a business profile back to a personal account, I'm going to show you how to do that in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Open your Instagram app and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your profile page to open the menu. Then, scroll down and look for the Creator Tools and Controls option. Look for the option that says Switch Account Type. And here select the switch to a personal account, and Instagram will ask you to confirm. Just tap Switch Back to finalize it. After confirming, your account will switch back to a personal account. Keep in mind, by doing this, you will lose access to some features like Instagram Insights and shopping tools, but you can switch back anytime. And that's it. In just a few easy steps, you've switched from a business account to a personal one. If this video is helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye!